Good medical morning. This is Watson, your host, and today we're going to discuss tonsil stones, which are calcifications of debris lodged in the tonsil crypts. As a fan of Reddit's popping forum, I noticed that these pop up on occasion. Get it? For example, here is a recent tonsil stone removal clip from the page. One of the most popular clips on Reddit's popping forum is this one from Love Frenchie's 1031. However, this one has a beat with a karma score of over 2,000. Yeah, let's watch that a few times to really appreciate the distance on that one. I think he needs a tonsil stone removal tool like this. I'll put an Amazon link to the best one in the description below. This one appears to be a bit more serious. Could it be infected? In some cases where tonsil stones are more serious, a tonsillectomy is the best option. Check with your doctor on that one. Here are a few more tonsil stones for you to chew on. Well, not literally, of course, because ugh. In the meantime, click the subscribe button, then select the notification bell for real-time updates. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to pick up a lighted medical pick from the Amazon link in the description. It's like a tonsil stone magnet, and it includes 3 interchangeable tips, an extra set of batteries, case, and it's hand inspected in the good old USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. Order yours today.